Don't download Copyai Enterprise Team Platform app before watching this. Before you download Copyai Enterprise, here's the reality. It's more than an writing tool. At the enterprise level, Copyai provides team collaboration, content templates, and workflow automation, but most teams get this wrong by assuming it replaces strategy. Step 1. Define your content objectives. Decide whether you need marketing copy, blog posts, or product descriptions. Most people get this wrong by generating content without clear goals, which wastes resources. Step 2. Set up team workflows. Assign roles, approval steps, and publishing pipelines. The surprising truth is, without structured workflows, teams duplicate work and lose efficiency. Step 3. Integrate with other platforms. Connect Copyai to CAMs, marketing, and analytics tools. Without integration, content insights remain scattered. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Track engagement, conversions, and SEO performance. Teams that ignore results fail to improve content impact. The upside? Proper Copyai Enterprise use can boost content output by up to 35%, enhance collaboration, and increase marketing ROI. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team has clear content goals, structured workflows, and tracks performance. For smaller teams, standard Copyai plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for strategies to maximize content at the enterprise level.